Now we will be seeing typical short sums. So come to section B, page number 151, question number 12 and question number 13. Now please ध्यान दो यहाँ पे थोड़ा tricky है and theoretical concept से connected है. If y and x have the relation that y is equal to a plus bx where b is greater than 0, then what is the value of r? Now, normal equation is y cap is equal to a plus bx. Then, using this error e, we find out what is the error. Now, whenever error becomes 0 for all the values of y which are dependent on x, we say that y is equal to a plus bx is same for y cap is equal to a plus bx. So in that case, if value of b, if b is greater than 0, r is equal to plus 1. And if b is less than 0, now over here it is not a negative sign, but in case if b is less than 0, then r is equal to minus 1. This is extra, not for this sum. So please write this. It means that when we have this graph, okay, and this line is y is equal to a plus bx. This is the same line for y cap is equal to a plus bx. Hence, we say that if b is positive, r is equal to 1. There is no deviation. There is no error of estimation. This is 12. Now, let's go to 13. Now, in case you want to refer this theory, that where it is given like this, sir, why are you saying this? I don't believe it, sir. I want to see it with my own eyes. Then not to worry, come on page number. I'll tell you the page number where this is written. Page number 120. Come to page number 120. I'll copy that page for you. Thirteenth one. If y is equal to 5 minus 3x and if y is equal to 5 minus 3x, now exactly given y is equal to what? 5 minus 3x, no y cap, is the relation between y and x, then what is the value of r? So y is equal to 5 minus 3x. Therefore, because it is negative, r will be equal to minus 1 because b is less than 0 from here. Section C. Now, the fitted regression line of y on x is y cap is equal to 23.2 minus 1.2x, and one of the observation used in fitting of the line is, now this is x and this is y. Find the error in estimating y for x is equal to 6. So first let's use this equation is equal to 23 0.2 minus 23.2 minus 1.2x. So taking x is equal to 6, we get y cap is equal to 23.2 minus 1.2 into 6, which is equal to 23.2 minus 12 6 is 72, 7.2, which is equal to
16.
yes, which is equal to 16. Now y is equal to 17 and y cap is equal to 16. Therefore E is equal to y minus y cap, which is equal to 17 minus 16, which is equal to 1. Therefore error of estimation, this can come for 2 marks, is equal to E, which is equal to 1. Answer. Question number 3 and question number 4 and question number 5. We'll do it together. Now, if x bar is equal to 30, y bar is equal to 20, b is equal to 0.6, find the intercept of regression line of y on x and write the equation of the line. Can anyone tell me what is this intercept of regression line? What is intercept of regression line? Acha, what is B known as?
BYX.
B is known as, right over here, B
Regression
is known as regression coefficient and A is known as the intercept. Understood this? Understood this? Now, there is also a question, ki what does A and B denote? So for that you have to write this answer only. Now, x bar is given, y bar is given, b is given. So directly A is equal to y bar minus b x bar, which is equal to 20 minus b is 0.6 into x bar is 30, which is equal to 20 minus 18, which is equal to 2. Therefore, A is equal to 2. Now equation, therefore, regression line is y cap is equal to A plus bx. Answer. Now, fourth one, interpret by on x is equal to 5. Fourth one. Now, we have done a similar sum yesterday. Now, this b, which is over here, for example, 0.6, over here b is equal to 5. So can I say for every unit of increase in x, there is 5 unit increase in y? Once again, For every unit increase in X, there is 5 unit increase in Y. If you are not able to recall, look at this sum. तुमने देखा था X अगर 1 यूनिट से बड़ा तो Y 3 यूनिट से बड़ा, because it is B is equal to 3. All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so over here,
Yes, sir.
we write over here for every unit increase in X, Y increases by 5 units. We write over here Y cap, okay? Because I was typing, Y cap increases by 5 units. Fifth, B is equal to 1.5, R is equal to 0.8. Standard deviation of X is equal to 1.6. Find the standard deviation of Y. Now, standard deviation of Y. Now over here, formula is, can you tell me the formula?
B is equal to R
Yes,
into
D is equal
S
to
by
R
D.
into standard deviation of Y upon standard deviation of X. Therefore, 1.5 is equal to 0.8 into standard deviation of Y upon standard deviation of X. So 0.8 2s are 2 we multiply, therefore standard deviation of Y is equal to 3. Answer. Question number 6. If regression coefficient of the regression line y on x, regression coefficient of y on x, so by on x is equal to 0.6, and the standard deviation of x and y are, standard deviation of x is 5, standard deviation of y is 3. Find QE of determination. So we have to find out r square, which is equal to small r square. So first let's find out r. So B is equal to r into standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x. So 0.6 is equal to r into standard deviation of y is 3, standard deviation of x is 5. Cross multiply. Therefore, R is equal to 0.6 into 5 upon 3. So let's calculate, which is equal to 0.999999. So which is what? 0.1. You can also do it this way, 0.6 into 5 is 355, which is equal to, which is equal to 1. So now R is equal to 1. Therefore, capital R square is equal to small r square, which is equal to 1. Therefore, coefficient of determination capital R square, which is equal to small r square, which is equal to 1. Interpretation पूछा नहीं है. Otherwise, we have written is exactly 1. So they are strongly and estimates are reliable. Strongly correlated and estimates are reliable. Seventh one, if the regression line of y on x is y cap is equal to 35 plus 2x and covariance x comma y is equal to 50, find the standard deviation of x. I want you to try this sum in the seventh sum. Now y cap is equal to 35 plus 2x. Y cap is equal to a plus bx. Therefore, b is equal to 2. Covariance x comma y is equal to 50. Now the formula is this way. By on x is equal to covariance x comma y upon variance of x, s square x. Therefore, 2 is equal to 50 upon s square x. Therefore, s square x is equal to 50 divided by 2, which is 25. Therefore, standard deviation of x is equal to under root of 25. Because standard deviation cannot be negative, standard deviation of x is equal to 5. Answer. Now, the eighth question is connected with the seventh question, what we have done over here. So I'll just bring both of them together. Now, for the eighth one, this eighth one, for the regression line given in the previous question number 7. So this, which is y cap is equal to 35 plus 2x. If the value of y is to be increased, this y is to be increased by 10 units, how many units should be increased in the value of y? So increase in y is directly related with is related with this 2 into x. So therefore 10 is equal to 2x. Therefore x is equal to 5. Because x increases by 1 unit, y will increase by 2 units. So if y becomes 10, what should be value of x? So x will be 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. Question number 9, you have to do it on your own. Question number 9, you have to do it on your own. I'll give it to you as homework. Question number 10. That is what we will do. Interesting. Now, in question number 10, by on x is equal to 0.75. U is equal to 6 in the bracket x minus 20. V is equal to 2 in the bracket y minus 15 for the data in a study of a regression line, then find the value of BV on U. So now first let's write what is given. By on x is equal to 0.75. 10th one solution. Now U is equal to, normally it is x minus a upon c of x. Over here it is U is equal to 6 x minus 20, which is equal to x minus 20 upon 1 upon 6. Therefore, C of x is equal to 1 by 6. V is equal to y minus b upon C of y, where V is equal to 2 in the bracket y minus 15. So which is equal to y minus 15 upon 1 by 2. Now, therefore, C of y is equal to 1 by 2. Now, we have C of x, C of y, by on x, we find bv on u. So by on x is equal to C of y upon C of x into bv on u. Therefore, by on x is 0.75, which is equal to C of y is 1 by 2, C of x is 1 by 6 into bv on u. Now first let's solve this so things become easy for you. 0.75 is equal to, now, so it will become 6 by 2 into bv on u. So therefore 2 3s are 6. So bv on u is equal to a 3 અહીંયા division માં આવી જશે. So 0.75 upon 3 which is equal to 0.25. Therefore bv on u is equal to 0.25. Answer. This sum is an important sum. Now question number 9. If x bar is equal to 30, y bar is equal to 50, r is equal to 0.8 and the standard deviation of xr. So r is equal to 0.8, standard deviation of x is 2, standard deviation of y is 5. Obtain the regression line of y on x. So first let's find out b. b is equal to r into s of y upon s of x. Therefore b is equal to 0.8 into s of y is 5, s of x is 2, which is equal to 0.8 into 5 divided by 2, which is 2. So b is equal to 2. A is equal to y bar minus b x bar. So a, which is the intercept, y bar is 50 minus b is 2. which is equal to minus 10. So A is equal to minus 10. So therefore, regression line of y on x is y cap is equal to minus 10 plus 2x. Answer. Question number 10. If the regression line of y on x is y cap is equal to 11 plus 3x and standard deviation of x is to standard deviation of y is equal to 3 is to 10. Find the COI of determination. So first let's write y cap is equal to 11 plus 3x. Therefore, b is equal to 3. Now, standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y is equal to 3 by 10. B is equal to r into standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x. Therefore, r is equal to b into standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y. ये कैसे आया? S of x यहाँ multiply कर दिया, S of y यहाँ divide कर दिया. Now we already have 3 by 10. We already have b. So r is equal to 3 into 3 by 10, which is equal to 0.9. Therefore, coefficient of determination capital R square, which is equal to small r square, is 0.81, 0.9 ka square. So this is the answer. Now in the 12th sum, by on x is 0.8. So I'll write over here by on x is equal to 0.8. Okay, this is given. We have to find by on u. Now, first one. Now in first one directly it is given u is equal to x minus 105, so upon 1, y minus 90, so upon 1. So c of x is equal to 1 and c of y is also equal to 1. Therefore, v on u is equal to same as 0.8. Second one. In the second one, c of x is equal to 100 and c of y is equal to 50. Therefore, by on x is equal to c of y upon c of x into b on u. Therefore, b on u is equal to cross multiply. So 0.8 into c of x, that is 100, upon c of y, which is 50. So therefore, b on u is equal to 1.6. Third one. Now over here 10 यहाँ पे दिया है न्यूमरेटर में, so C of x is equal to 1 upon 10, and here nothing is given, so upon 1, so C of y is equal to 1. Now by on x is equal to C of y upon C of x into v on u. So over here, therefore, by on x is 0.8, which is equal to C of y is 1. C of x is 1 upon 10 into v on u. Now we cross multiply. You can also take it as 0.1. So 0.8 into 0.1, which is equal to 0.08, is equal to v on u, or v on u is equal to 0.08. Answer. Any doubt, anyone? Now section F, question number 7, important one, can come for 5 marks. Now the following results are obtained for a data. N is equal to 12, sigma x is equal to 30, sigma y is equal to 5, sigma x square is equal to 670, and sigma xy is equal to 344. Later on, it was known that one pair, so x and y, 10, 14, was wrongly taken as 11, 4. So this was wrongly taken. So I'll mark it in red. By correcting the above measure, obtain the regression line of y on x. Estimate y for x is equal to 5. First, let's write what is known to us. So n is equal to 12. Sigma x is equal to 30. Sigma y is equal to 5. Sigma x square is equal to 670, and sigma xy is equal to 344. Now one pair, so x comma y, the right one, x comma y, the correct pair was 10, 14, was wrongly taken as 11, 4. Now, what was wrongly done because of this? So we had wrong x square, we had wrong xy, we had wrong sigma x, and we had wrong sigma y. Now, x square, so 10 square is 100, xy, so x into y is 140. So this is the correct one. Wrongly was taken as 11 squared, so 121, and xy 11 into 4, which is equal to 44. So we have to remove the wrong. So this is wrong. And we have to add the correct. This is correct. You may please make this table and write this. Now, we start finding correct sigma x. Is equal to 30 minus wrong observation. So wrong is 11 plus correct observation, so correct is 10, which is equal to 29. 30 minus 11 plus 10, so minus 1, so 30, so 29. So correct sigma x is 29. Correct sigma y, which is equal to 5 minus wrong observation 4, this wrong 4 plus correct, which is equal to 14, which is equal to 5 minus 4 plus 14, 15. Now correct sigma x square is equal to 670 minus x square, so wrong is 121, plus correct is 100, which is equal to 649. So now we got correct sigma x square. Now correct sigma xy is equal to 344 minus, we already have calculated 44, 44 plus 140, which is equal to
442.
440. Now we have got everything correct. N is equal to 12. Now we have to find regression line of y on x. So regression line of y on x is y cap is equal to a plus bx. Therefore y cap, therefore b is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square, which is equal to 12 into correct sigma xy is 440 minus sigma x is 29 into sigma y is 15 upon 12 into sigma x square, which is equal to 649 minus sigma x, that is 29 the whole square. 12 into 440, 5280 minus 29 into 15, 435 upon 12 into 649, 7780 minus 29 the whole square, 841, which is equal to 4845 upon 6939, which is equal to
0.7.
0.698, so 0.70. Therefore, B is equal to 0.70. A is equal to y bar minus b x bar. Now, for finding y bar minus b x bar, we have to find out first x bar, which is equal to sigma xi upon n. So what is the correct sigma xi? 29. So 29 by 12, which is equal to 2.416666. So 42, and y bar is equal to sigma yi upon n, which is equal to, what is correct sigma y? That is 15. So 15 by 12, which is equal to 1.25. So now A is equal to y bar, which is 1.25 minus 0.7, x bar is 2.42, which is equal to 1.25 minus 0.7 into 2.42, 1.694, so 1.69, which is equal to minus 0.44. So A is equal to minus 0.44. Now, therefore, regression line of y on x is y cap is equal to minus 0.44 plus 0.70 x. Now, sum is not over. Taking double 788. Okay. Now, a student has spotted out a calculation mistake. So here there is 7788. Okay. So you write this as 7788 minus 841, which comes to 6947, which comes to 6947. However, because the difference is minor, your answer does not change. So it remains the same 0.70. Okay, so I continue. So taking x is equal to 5, y cap is equal to minus 0.44 plus 0.70 into 5, which is equal to minus 0.44 plus 3.5, which is equal to 3.06. So therefore, when x is equal to 5, y cap is equal to 3.06. Answer.